Hi, I am Dr. Elo, one of the elite ICE 50 avatars to present this lecture on real dental malpractice claim. What happens if you make a big mistake? 2of2 Berksey is a division of Berkshire Hathaway Specialty Insurance and ICE 50's dental malpractice partner. By Gina Gallagher, January 11th, 2024. Jessica was surprised by the extent of the treatment required. It was very complicated and expensive and involved multiple dental appointments and procedures in the short and long term, she adds. According to the plan, the tooth would need to be further extracted. The child would need a ridge augmentation to recreate the contour of the gums and jaw. The child would require another ridge augmentation when he outgrows the first. Beyond these procedures, the mother considered the time she would need to take off from work to bring the child to the appointments. To calculate these costs, Jessica had to determine the mother's hourly salary. The mother proposed a settlement, which included money for the treatment and lost wages, and another amount for the patient's suffering. In my experience, this was a reasonable request considering the multiple treatments involved and the discomfort the child would have eating, Jessica shares. Jessica presented the settlement offer to the dentist for his consent, along with her recommendation to issue a counteroffer. The dentist, who agreed with the treatment plan, countered, and the case was settled shortly after. The difference a responsive and experienced malpractice insurance company can make less than 2 months after learning about the claim, Jessica cut a check to the mother, closing the claim. The mother was so relieved to have the ordeal over, remembers Jessica. The dentist was happy that the case was closed and that he did not have to undergo a malpractice suit or board action. The story is living proof that mistakes can and do happen. It also emphasizes the importance of having a dental malpractice insurance provider who will have your back and work to get a complaint or claim filed against you resolved as quickly and fairly as possible. Legal disclaimer. The views expressed in this article are those of the author and do not necessarily reflect those of ICE 50, Berksey, or Berkshire Hathaway Specialty Insurance Company. This article, subject to change without notice, is for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional advice.